Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I know I look terrible. I've just woken up and I have no makeup on. But that's because I'm doing a get ready with me for the gym today. It's gym day today, so I thought I may as well film myself getting ready. Now I know a lot of people don't wear makeup to the gym, but I do. I don't wear a lot of makeup, like literally just some concealer and well, you'll see because we're doing a get ready with me. Like I don't wear a lot of makeup, but I do like to wear makeup just where I do have acne. I am a little bit self-conscious about going out without any makeup on. So yeah, I do like to wear a little bit of makeup, and I'm quite lucky my makeup doesn't sweat off. My makeup stays on pretty good, so yeah, but that's what we're going to be doing today anyway. So I guess this is for people who do like to wear makeup at the gym. Again, I don't wear a lot of makeup, it's just a little bit, but I just like to cover up my acne. At the moment it's pretty good. Like when I'm looking at the camera, I don't feel like you can see it, but at the moment my skin is doing really well. And I've got like just scars around my chin at the moment, one massive spot there. Usually I have loads of spots around my chin, but I've been using apple cider vinegar as a toner and my skin has cleared up really nicely, but I'm still a little bit self-conscious about it, so I do still put a little bit of makeup on when I go to the gym. But yeah, this is my get ready with me. Basically what I start off with is my Smashbox primer, which is the Photo Finish light one, and I'm nearly running out, so I have to fold it and squeeze it out. So if you can't see me very well, I'm just sat on my bed because, you know, early in the morning, sat on my bed watching YouTube, doing my makeup. So I just rub that in, and I also put it on my eyes as well. So usually when I just do my everyday makeup, I'll put eyeliner on and, you know, lipstick and blusher and highlighter and all that stuff, but I don't do that when I go to the gym because it's just too much. I do put mascara on though, so I look like I have some eyelashes. Okay, so now my face is dry and I literally just go in and put this all where my scars are. On a normal day I put my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation on and then concealer, but when I go to the gym we just put a little bit of concealer on around where my scars are and my spots are on my face. And I have like 2 spots in my eyebrow, which is so annoying because it makes my eyebrows look really weird when I do my eyebrows. See, I don't have that much on. It's just around my chin and my forehead. I don't ever put any on my cheeks. It's just to cover up. So there's still like a few red bits coming out that I'm not fond of, so I just do little dots on the main bigger spots. Okay, so now I just put some concealer all around my eyes to get rid of my horrible dark circles.
On the abdomen, it really makes me concerned that there may be some
I just made a really funny face. I'm watching Untold Stories of the ER and literally I'm just so hooked on it. Okay, so now I'm using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in translucent just to get rid of any shine and oils. But now because I look really pale, like this is translucent but it still comes off a little bit white, I always feel like I look like a ghost, so I put a little bit of bronzer on. I don't put loads on, like I don't do like loads of contouring or anything like that. I am just going to the gym, but I do make myself look alive and not look like a ghost. But this is a Makeup Revolution, and you can see which one I use the most and the 2 that I never use. But yeah. So I just take some, dab it off, and then literally just start dusting it everywhere, just so I look a little bit more alive. I don't put any blusher on because I feel like I'm going to the gym, I'm going to get red, my face is going to get red when I'm working out, so why would I put blusher on and make myself look twice as red? Do you know what I mean? Does that make sense? Okay, so now I've like bronzed my face. I do like this, can sound weird, to make my eyes look a little bit nicer. I don't put loads of eyeshadow on. I like to just put like a little colour in my crease. I don't know why. I just feel like, I just don't know, just so it looks nicer. That's what I always do. But this is a Makeup Revolution neutrals versus neutrals palette. As you can tell, I literally love Revolution. Almost everything I have is Revolution. Makeup Revolution. So I literally just put like the smallest bit in my eye crease just to have a little bit of definition. So there, it's just a little bit of brown in my crease just to give my eyes a little bit of definition, and then I just put a plain nude colour on my eyelids just to blend it out a bit. Simple. I'm just going to put on mascara, so I always use waterproof mascara when I'm going to the gym. You know, you never know. Actually, I always use waterproof mascara anyway, but this is, what was it, L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes mascara. But yeah. Okay, so now I have my mascara on. I'm going to do my eyebrows. It's on my eyebrows just a little bit, just so they have some definition, because at the moment I'm sure you can like barely even see them. They're so blonde. So what I use is alot brow pomade, and I love this stuff, honestly. It's so good. In this, I think this is light brown, blonde, there you go, it's blonde. Not light brown, it's blonde. So just get these little spoolie, brush my eyebrows out, and then I just fill them in very lightly, just so like I have something on my eyebrows. Zoom out. I'm going to do my hair now. I've got this like massive giant poncho thing on to keep me warm. Hi, I had to change my camera battery, but you should see now. So I'm just going to do my hair now. It's pretty much up how I have it, but I haven't brushed it this morning, so I'm going to take it down, brush it, and literally put it back up like this again. But it's, ow, it's a mess. Oh, it's really stuck in there. And this is my hair, not brushed. Crazy. Okay, so my camera, literally I ran out of memory space just as I was putting my hair up. I didn't realise. But yeah, this is how I do my hair when I go to the gym. I just put it up in one of these weird ass bun things with a clip. And yeah, that's how I do my hair. So now I'm just going to get dressed. Oh my god, can you see that flicky bit? That's so funny. Yeah, I'm just going to get dressed now. Alrighty, so I'm all dressed for the gym. So I just have this Victoria's Secret top on, and then I have a Gymshark leggings on. That's just my outfit that I wear for the gym. Yeah, I'm doing this vlog style now because I thought I held the camera when I stand up. But that's sort of like my get ready with me for the gym. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!